Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can install Valorant on PC. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser and search for Valorant. Then open the official Valorant website and click on Play Free button at the center of your screen. It will then prompt you to sign in or sign up. Select whichever you want. I will select Sign In and log in using my Google account. After logging in, you will be redirected back to the home page of the website. Click on the Play Free button again, and this time it will take you to the download page. On the download page, click on Download and it will start downloading. After the downloading completes, open the installer, go to the advanced settings to set installation directory and click on Install button. And that's how you can install Valorant on PC. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.